Struggling to refill your POL valve gas cylinder? You're not alone. Many people find it tricky, but why? And more importantly, how can you manage it safely and effectively? Let's break it down step by step. The POL valve, or Presto Light valve, uses a threaded connection instead of a quick-fit system. That means refilling requires precision. If the nozzle isn't aligned perfectly or the threads are cross-threaded, the process can fail or cause leaks. Managing pressure during the refill adds another challenge. Here's how you can make it easier and safer. First, ensure the gas cylinder is upright on a flat, stable surface. Take your refilling nozzle or adapter and carefully insert it into the POL valve opening. Turn it clockwise to thread it securely. Remember, it must be tight, but don't force it. Next, check for leaks. You can do this with soapy water. If bubbles form, there's a loose connection. Once secure, open the gas flow slowly. Gradual pressure is key to controlling the refill and avoiding sudden bursts of gas. Keep an eye on the gauge or the fill level to prevent overfilling. When complete, close the valve tightly, remove the nozzle by unscrewing counterclockwise, and perform one last leak check for safety.